Hello everyone, I hope you all doing great. So for this nail design, I really went out of my comfort zone, and I'm talking about encapsulating nail decorations. I never did this, and if I think better, I in my entire life I encapsulated like probably once or twice I encapsulated some glitter, but I never ever encapsulated such big nail decorations. And I did this because I really wanted to use some new decorations that I have. Also, I wanted that I'm losing myself. So I wanted for this nail set to last for a couple of weeks. And so I didn't want for the nail decorations to bother me. Okay, so for this nail design, I began by gluing the nail tip and I shaped it, and I removed the shiny layer from the nail tip and also from my natural nail with a nail file, and I'm doing this really gentle just to not ruin my natural nails. Also for this nail design, I purchased a really cheap gel from Amazon because since I started to use polygel like 1.5 years ago, I threw away all of my other gels because they were expired anyways, and I didn't want to invest in a very expensive one. So this is what I have. It worked, but if I'm planning to do this more often, I'm going to buy another one. Probably I'm going to go back to IBD gel because I really liked IBD gels before. After I apply the primer, I'm going with a very thin layer of gel, and after I cure it, I went with 2 layers of gel, like soak-up gel polish. I'm telling you guys, for the entire nail design, I just improvised and used what I had in my drawer, so please don't judge me. This nail design was a test for me, so yeah, be nice. Anyways, after that, I used a little bit of hard gel to pick up some nail decoration, and I just applied it on my nails. And I really suggest you to flash cure like your nails if you're using such heavy nail decorations. I flash cure like for 5-10 seconds. Like this, I made sure that the nail decorations were not going to just go and slide on my nail, you know. Anyway, after that, I encapsulated everything with a bigger amount of gel, and I must admit, I definitely would have done a better job, but I didn't. After curing, I tried to fix this weird shape by filing, and after that, I applied a gel top coat, and that's it. I hope you guys like this nail design. I personally like it. Like for a first time, it's not bad at all, and I have these nails for 1 week already, and I don't have any liftings, so the gel, it's pretty good so far. Yeah, I'm planning to wear these nails for Christmas and also for the New Year's Eve. So this is going to be my last video for this year. I really want to thank you for the support and also for being here even though I was not very active this year. And I really hope you have a wonderful Christmas if you are celebrating, and I really hope you have a wonderful New Year's Eve, and I really hope that all of you guys are surrounded by your loved ones during the holidays. Thank you guys, and take care. Bye.